Hi children, welcome back to the class which is discussing about light. We have learned that the bouncing back of light into the same medium in which it was incident after striking a surface is called reflection of light. Then we have learned that depending upon the nature of the surfaces, reflection can be regular or diffused. The other name for diffuse reflection is irregular reflection. Now let us discuss about them. Mirrors, still water, surfaces, etc. cause regular reflection, whereas wavy water surfaces or old chipped off mirrors cause irregular or diffused reflection. When we look into the still water, we can see ourselves clearly. But when we are looking to wavy water, we can see ourselves, but it won't be clear. That means it will be blurred images. The surfaces which cause clear images shows regular reflection, and the surfaces which cause blurred images shows irregular or diffused reflection. Now, what kind of surfaces cause clear images? We know that the still water and mirrors have smooth surfaces. Then, when we are observing the back portion of the mirror, we can see that it is polished. So, we can say that the smooth and polished surfaces cause regular reflection. Regular reflection means all the incident beam of light will be reflecting as a parallel beam of light in a definite direction after striking a smooth and polished surface. Here, let AB is a mirror. When we are showing any light source to a mirror, beam of light from that light source will fall on the mirror. Beam of light means group of ray of light. So as we are seeing here, each ray will be incident at the different point of the mirror. Since the surface is smooth, all the light rays or beam of light will be reflecting in the definite direction parallelly. Since the incident light strikes and the reflected light moves back parallelly, we are able to see clear images. So we can say that more regular the reflection, clearer is the image formed. We have discussed that the surfaces which shows the blurred images shows irregular reflection. Those surfaces will be generally rough surfaces. Rough surfaces in the sense the surface which is uneven and not smooth. Here you can see the rough surface in this figure. So when a parallel beam of light strikes a rough surface, the rays of light reflects as different the rays of light will be reflecting in different directions. As a result, we won't be able to see the clear images. Such type of reflection is called irregular or diffused reflection. Here you can see a parallel beam of light striking the rough surface. As the surface is not uniformly distributed, the light rays will be reflecting in different directions. So far, we have learned the definition of reflection, some important terms related to reflection, the two kinds of reflection based on the surface. Reflection is governed by two basic laws. These two laws are called laws of reflection. First law is for an incident ray, its corresponding reflected ray, the angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. That is, this is the incident ray and it is the corresponding reflected ray. There will be a imaginary line called normal from the point of incidence. Then the angle formed here is the angle of incidence, and angle formed between normal and the reflected ray is the angle of reflection, which is shown in green color. This both angle will be same. That is, if it is 30 degree, if this angle of incidence is 30 degree, then the angle of reflection will also be 30 degree. We will be verifying this law with the help of an activity in next class. Second law of reflection states that the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane as shown here. We will be continuing it in next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.